Hello everyone, welcome back to the Autocar channel and thank you for joining us again today. If you enjoy future vehicles, advanced technology and powerful machines, you are in the right place. Today we are taking a close look at one of the most talked about concepts in modern defense technology, a next-generation laser-equipped battle tank reportedly planned for deployment around 2026. At first glance, this vehicle looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie, but behind the futuristic design is a very real shift in how ground warfare is evolving. Traditional tanks rely on kinetic shells, heavy armor and brute force. This new concept focuses on precision, energy, speed and intelligence. Instead of firing conventional ammunition, the main weapon system is a high-energy laser designed to neutralize threats with extreme accuracy. The most striking feature is the laser cannon mounted where a traditional tank gun would normally be. This laser system is designed to engage drones, incoming missiles and lightly armored targets in seconds. Because it uses focused energy rather than physical rounds, it can fire repeatedly without reloading as long as sufficient power is available. That alone changes the entire logistics equation on the battlefield. Power management is a key part of this vehicle's design. The tank is expected to use a hybrid electric propulsion system combining a conventional engine with advanced battery storage. This allows it to generate and store the massive electrical energy required for laser operation while still maintaining mobility. Silent movement modes are also possible, which greatly reduce detection risk during reconnaissance or defensive positioning. Mobility remains a priority despite the added technology. The tracked chassis is designed for rough terrain, including mountains, deserts, and urban environments. Advanced suspension systems help maintain stability during movement and firing while reducing crew fatigue. Even with heavy armor and energy systems, the vehicle is expected to match or exceed the speed of current main battle tanks. Protection goes beyond thick steel. This laser tank concept includes active protection systems capable of detecting and intercepting incoming threats before impact. Sensors, radar, and optical systems work together to create a real-time awareness bubble around the vehicle. Artificial intelligence assists in threat prioritization, identifying which targets pose the greatest danger and responding faster than a human crew could alone. Crew size is expected to be smaller than traditional tanks. Automation handles many tasks that once required multiple operators. Target tracking, firing solutions, navigation, and system diagnostics are largely automated. The crew focuses on decision-making and mission control rather than manual operation. This reduces training time and improves overall efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of laser weapons is cost per shot. Traditional missiles and shells are expensive and require complex supply chains. A laser shot costs only the energy required to generate it. Over time, this can result in massive savings, especially in scenarios involving drone swarms where dozens of targets must be engaged quickly. Weather and environmental conditions still present challenges. Heavy rain, fog, or dust can reduce laser effectiveness. Engineers are working on adaptive power control and beam correction technologies to minimize these limitations. While not perfect, the system is already proving highly effective under most conditions. From an automotive technology perspective, this vehicle is fascinating. Many of the systems used here, advanced electric drivetrains, thermal management software-driven control systems, and autonomous features, are closely related to developments in civilian vehicles. Military platforms often serve as testing grounds for technologies that later appear in commercial cars. At Autocar, we look at more than just speed or horsepower. We look at how vehicles evolve and how technology reshapes mobility. This laser tank represents a future where vehicles are not just machines but intelligent platforms capable of adapting to their environment in real time. International observers are watching these developments closely. Energy-based weapons are expected to play a major role in future defense strategies. Ground vehicles equipped with lasers could become essential for protecting cities, bases, and critical infrastructure from aerial threats. As development continues, more details will emerge about performance, range, and deployment plans. What is already clear is that the definition of a tank is changing. Firepower is no longer measured only by explosive force but by precision control and technological superiority. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think about laser weapons being mounted on ground vehicles? Do you see this as the future of armored warfare or just a specialized tool for certain situations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The Autocar channel will continue bringing you the latest stories on future vehicles, military mobility and cutting-edge technology. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video right here on Autocar.